Welcome to my review of SimplePractice, a comprehensive telehealth platform designed for healthcare professionals, particularly therapists, counselors, and other mental health practitioners. In this video, I'll guide you through its most notable features and explain how it can streamline your practice. We'll begin with an overview of the platform's user-friendly interface, which allows both practitioners and clients to navigate seamlessly. SimplePractice provides an all-in-one solution with features such as scheduling, billing, documentation, and a secure client portal for virtual sessions. The platform's dashboard is clean and intuitive, with easy access to all the tools you need. I'll walk you through the scheduling system, which lets you manage appointments with just a few clicks. You can set your availability, send automated reminders, and even allow clients to book sessions online. The client portal is another standout feature, offering a secure and professional space for clients to complete intake forms, access session notes, and even make payments. I'll demonstrate how clients can log in, view their upcoming appointments, and communicate securely with their provider. Next, I'll showcase the Telehealth video functionality, which delivers high-quality, HIPAA-compliant video calls. This feature is particularly crucial for therapists providing online services, as it ensures a seamless and secure connection. You'll see how to launch a session, share files during the call, and use tools like screen sharing. Point 1 of SimplePractice strong points is its robust documentation system. It offers customizable templates for progress notes, treatment plans, and assessments, helping practitioners maintain thorough and organized records. I'll show you how to create and edit these templates to fit your practice's needs. Let's not forget about billing and insurance. SimplePractice simplifies this often complicated process by allowing you to generate invoices, process payments, and even submit insurance claims directly from the platform. I'll walk you through the steps for setting up these features, so you can spend less time on admin work and more time with your clients. In addition, I'll touch on the platform's pricing plans, which cater to various levels of practice. Whether you're a solo practitioner or part of a group, there's a plan that fits your needs and budget. We'll compare the features included in each tier to help you decide which is the best option. Overall, SimplePractice aims to provide a seamless, secure, and efficient experience for both providers and clients. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its strengths, areas for improvement, and whether it's the right tool for your practice. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tutorials on telehealth tools and practice management software.